Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to One2Step YouTube channel where we are back with another PayPal related video, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can change your phone number in PayPal. So it's pretty simple, but before that I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's dive into the video, shall we? So the first thing is you want to go to paypal.com on your browser. You want to go to paypal.com just like this. After you go to paypal.com, you want to log in into your account if you guys haven't, but if you guys have already, then it's going to bring you straight to your account. But if you guys haven't, you guys have to log in into your account. After you log in into your PayPal account, what you want to do is the first step is you want to click on the setting icon or the gear icon. You want to click on it. Once you click on it, you want to go to where it says these accounts section at the bottom. You want to click on the account, and once you're over here, you want to scroll down and click on where it says phone number. So right now I have two number. Now there's two ways on how you guys can, change your phone number. The one is by adding it and then changing it into primary, or the other one is by changing the primary one into another one. So I think if you guys add it, you can have two numbers over here just like this, but you can only have one primary mobile number. If you guys are confused, let me explain. Primary number is the main number of your PayPal, alright? Every notification, every verification code is going to be sent to that number, and it can only be one. The other phone number you add over here is going to be your secondary or your backup one. So let's say you want to change your primary number. You can either add a new number and change it into primary, or you can just directly change the primary number. So by that I mean you can just click on change. Once I click on change, it's going to take me to the place over here, and it's asking me to change your primary number. You'll need to add a new one and make that your primary number. That's what I want to say. It can bring you over here, but if you do not want to go through the step, you can just basically click on this add new one. Adding a new phone number, you want to click on add number, and you need to verify the number. By that I mean PayPal is gonna send you a verification code to your SMS on that phone number, and you need to type that SMS over here so that PayPal will know that's your phone number, not other person's phone number. That's what verification is. So you want to verify your phone. If you do not verify it, you won't be able to use it. After it sends you the confirmation code and you verify it, you can change it into your primary phone number. So that's basically how it works. So hope you guys were able to understand this video. If you did, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And just a reminder, after you change your primary number into a new number, you need to understand that all the notification and verification code will be sent to that new number, not your old number. So you just have to keep that in mind, alright? So yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Yeah, and in this video, you guys might get confused saying that he didn't change his phone number. Well, I didn't change my phone number because I do not want to change my phone number right now. I want this to be my primary phone number. So yeah, I didn't change it. But if you guys want to, then you guys can just follow the steps which I just showed you. Alright, it's gonna work. So I will see you guys in my next video, and bye bye.